Hello, this is Francisco Ruiz, the author of PassLok Privacy App, which is now in version 2.0. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the PFS mode for locking and unlocking messages. PFS mode stands for Perfect Forward Security, which means that messages that were logged previously will become unreadable along the line. You can only read the last message that you exchange. So in order to do that, I have set up a screen where I'm going to be copying things so you can see how all messages cannot be read anymore. I have set up two tabs. This one is Alice, this one is Bob, A and B. Alice is going to initiate a conversation to Bob. So she's going to say something like, "Hi Bob," and is going to look for Bob's lock, and is going to set up PFS mode. So when she locks it, we get this, which I'm going to select, copy. I'm going to copy it off screen as well. And now Bob gets it. He knows it comes from Alice, but let's say that he just, without paying any heed, he just clicks here. He'll be told that you need to identify the sender. Okay, Alice. Alright, so the conversation has been started. Well, he replies, "Hi Alice." And he also locks it in PFS mode. Alright, we'll select this, we'll copy it elsewhere, and now send it to Alice. So we clear the previous one, put the new one in, and unlock it. Alright, so here is, "Hi Alice." Well, she's going to reply, say something important like, "I love you, Bob." I love Bob. Alright, we lock it, select it. I'm going to copy it somewhere else. And now Bob gets this. So we're going to read it. "I love Bob." Oh, this is wonderful. Now, what happens if somebody, including Bob, had recorded the previous message from Alice, which I still have in this other location? I'm going to put it back. This was the first message from Alice to Bob. What will happen now if we try to unlock it? Well, first we get a warning that we're trying to decrypt a message that it's not our turn to do, but let's say that we go ahead. Well, this one has failed. It has failed because the key that was used for the last message has overwritten the key that was used for the first message. You can only read the last message we got. The last message is still readable. Let's put it back. Okay, it's still out of turn, but it should work. Very good. Let's say that Bob got this, and let's try to make things difficult. Let's say that he makes a mistake. He says something like, "I hate Alice." Okay, he locks it, select it, and sends it to Alice. I'm going to copy it. But let's say that Alice actually doesn't get this, that right away he says, "Okay, I made a mistake here, and I should not say that." So clear that, and I say something like, "I love Alice." And he locks that. Okay? So here is the second message. What will happen in this case? He said this. He sends that message. He sends that second message. But unbeknownst to him, Alice got the first message. So I'm going to put it here. She's still able to read that, and she replies to that. "Well, I hate Bob too." And she replies to this. to the first, not the second. What will happen now? He gets to Bob. He gets this, hoping that this is Alice's reply to his love declaration. But instead he finds that he cannot read it, because this was actually a reply to the key in his first message, not in the second. And he no longer has that key. He cannot read that key. The chain has been broken. That's why the messages are there, to try to keep you from breaking the chain, the ping pong that you're playing with the other person, as much as possible. If that happens, you need to recognize that you've broken the chain, and then you go to directory. You need to be in advanced mode before you can do this, because you need a button. You need to get Alice's lock displayed and then reset Alice. And Alice needs to be the same thing. She needs to be in advanced mode, try to get Bob, and then she needs to reset Bob. After they do this, they can restart a conversation in PFS mode and things will work out again. And hopefully they won't hit each other anymore. Thank you and enjoy PassLok.